Hello, all Jack families. Welcome to our live room. My name is Kerry Ryan. I'm the salesman of Indian Bangalore market. This is my colleague.
Hello everyone, my name is Dapper. I am the salesman of Indian Delhi market.
Okay, and today we are here. We are going to introduce our Jack A2S machine.
A2S? Really? We all know that Jack have all series of machines. Why today we only come here to learn A2S? I have already promoted this machine for nearly 1 year. I know it very well. Why I waste time again to learn it?
Okay, very good question. We all know, like our Jack F4 machine, the direct drive machine is already in the market for more than 5 years. During those 5 years, our F4 just dominating on the market. It's just like Jordan in NBA. But when time goes by, the requirement of our customer is increasing. They want a machine based on F4, but have more function than F4. So this is why we're promoting A2S machine. And on another hand, you're asking, you are already very familiar with our A2S machine. Then I have some question for you. How many A2S machines you sold in 2019? And how is the percentage of the A2S compared to all your sales? And how is your service?
All right. I totally agree with you. I think you have got a point. So why you not just go on and start your show?
Okay. This is our A2S machine. Our A2S machine has some advantage like very stable, reliable, and very high efficiency. For all of those specific points, I will introduce to you one by one later. And our A2S machine is the first choice for the mid and the low level customers. For the auto-locking, it is still use Jack DNA Visual, and it's Germany industrial design, and with very excellent workmanship and superb detail. And for the one, we still using the one-shift driving motor. Some people will ask, why are you still talking about this one-shift driving? This is not very high technology. What I want to say, on the one hand, this is our Jack pattern. On another hand, like this design is the cooperation of the motor company and the spare parts company. At our Jack, we have our sub company named as Zhongbao. I believe almost all of you know this company. And as the first, when we design our A2S machine, the motor company and the spare parts company, they already have a cooperation. So they can design those two spare parts together. So it will increase the torque of the machine. So when we running the machine, it will be more light and more fast. And this is another pattern of our motor, like the dust-proof design. It will decrease the heat of the motor, and it will also achieve the dust-proof. So this is why our Jack's motor, the life will be longer than other brand machines' life.
Yes, I think I know this very well, because all these features we are called for as Jack DNA. And if my memory serves me right, I think all these features our F4 machine also have. So why you not show us the different features A2S has with F4?
Of course, our A2S machine is based on F4 machine. And as a computerized machine, our A2S have more functions. Now I can show you. Like on the head of the machine, it has the needle compensate button, LED light button, and the auto reserve swing button. For the needle compensate button, in the before, when we run the machine and we need the half speed, we should use our hand to turn the hand wheel, right? But now we just use one finger to touch here to click this button to achieve this function. And for the auto reverse swing, like before, we should use our hand to push this bar. After long time operation, it will be very tired. So we use this button to replace that, use this automatic function to replace that hand. And how we achieve those functions? In our machine, there are 3 electronic magnets, like electronic thread tension, and auto reverse swing, and also auto trimming motor. So this is why our machine can achieve the auto reverse and auto trimming. Some of the customers, when I do the market survey, I saw those customers. I asked them, why you don't buy our computerized machine? They will say, the computerized machine is very good, but our labor, they don't know how to use those patterns. There are so many buttons, and they are also very afraid to learn of this function. So today we are here to give the training how to use those patterns. It will be very easy to learn, and it will achieve so many functions.
Actually, firstly, we can see on this panel, we can see in each buttons there are two different icons on it. Every icon means different functions. So when we want to turn on or turn off one functions, do you know how we operate to switch? You can see here this one, for example. This button have two different icons. The above one means W stitch, and the below one means the pattern, the programming functions. So when we want to achieve this, the above function W stitch, we just short press this button. Then this function will be turned on. After turn on this function, we need to set the parameters to achieve this function. First, we turn on this function, then we press this button to set each parameter. The first parameters means the totally line numbers that we want. Because you know the W stitch is like the stitch come and back. So if we want when we want to make the stitch much stable, we can use the W stitch function.